Welcome to my crib. Got my gold TV. Like to play Fortnite. Couch, the bed. You can pop the trunk. You can cook on it. See, I got the little stove right here. On the ground right there, that's my golden rock that fell over. My gold rock. Come look right here. This is the V5 engine. Custom air intake. Special coil pack. Spark shit. Battery. Fuel pump. Oiled the chain recently. This thing's solid. We got the black rims. Try to peep those rims. Yeah. For when I'm feeling pretty badass, I take out the two-wheeler, the motorcycle. This thing's got so much power. It's going to fell off recently, but no worries. Disc brakes. Look at that. Look at them brakes. Disc brakes. This thing hauls. I'll start it up for you. Hold on. I'll start it up for you. Come on. Almost. There we go. Yeah. Some of the bicycles in the back for exercise. I was gifted that machine. I don't know what that does. Alright, so that's about it, guys. That was my house tour. Saw everything. Now you gotta get out. Get out! Get out! Get out!